Right from the beginning, the mission statement of DeepMind accorded a large role to neuroscience. We see neuroscience as a useful guide in our search for solutions to AI, and also as providing methods for us to validate the ideas that we're coming up with in our AI research. The brain is arguably still the only example that we have of something that approximates the kind of intelligence we're trying to build. And so it seems like a good idea to pay some attention to how it works. At DeepMind, the way neuroscience informs AI research, I think it works at several different levels. So there are cases where we're interested in very specific findings from neuroscience research, like memory replay, for example, or the way that dopamine works in the brain. Another tool that we use every day at DeepMind, which is something called reinforcement learning, which is about how you can learn to behave effectively given only rewards and punishments. That also came originally out of studies of animal learning and psychology. We look for opportunities to take what we've learned about those very specific aspects of neural function and then translate them into things that will work for AI. In my experience so far, I've realized that there's a subtler and maybe more important way in which neuroscience informs AI research, which is that when you have neuroscientists in the building interacting with engineers and computer scientists and experts in machine learning, you get a wider variety of intuitions and viewpoints and associations, which ends up paying off for AI research. The way I think about it is, back in the days when people were trying to build machines that could fly, they might have discovered the solution without worrying about how birds are able to fly. And in the end, the solution for machines ended up looking different from the solution that birds use. But at the same time, it seems like it would have been silly for people trying to solve flight to completely ignore birds. And that's, I think, what we would be doing in AI research if we didn't attend to neuroscience. It's there for us to learn from. It seems inevitable that it can provide guidance in our search for solutions to AI. And if we can do those two things in the same building with the same researchers working on it, I think we stand a better chance of succeeding.